Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to do Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start running Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube. What is one of the best ways that you can do so? So here we are on one of my channels that only has 180 subscribers, but this is just like a very side hustle channel. I don't spend any time on it at all. But what I've done with this channel is that even though it only has 180 subscribers, it's making around $300 in Amazon affiliate revenue, okay? So you can see here that I organize my videos by the most popular. And if you find the pattern that what's happening here, you can see that about 10 out of my best 12 performing videos are videos where I compare the same kind of item together. So what I mean by that is in this video here, I'm comparing camping tables. This video here, I'm comparing dog cooling mats. This video here, I'm comparing storage bins. So with that being said, I'd say that's one of the best strategies that you can do, in which not only can you review the individual items in this video, but if you compare them with one another together and tell them that, hey, the camping table from Monster is the best camping table, that converts extremely well on Amazon affiliates, okay? So on my Amazon affiliates account, I could actually see that the items that I'm recommending in these videos are items that people are actually buying. So if I mention that the Lux bidet, which is this video here, the Lux bidet is better than the Tushy bidet, people would actually buy it. So with that being said, in combination with you reviewing individual items, I'd say compare your items all together in a single video as well, and then see which one performs best, all right? But this is my strategy moving forward when it comes to doing Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube, in which I'll try to compare the or same category items together. And then afterwards, I'll actually be posting it on YouTube and then telling them which item I think is best. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I can explain how to do Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube. Obviously, there's other ways, but if you guys like this strategy, let me know down below in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.